Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to save indicators on investing.com. To get started, let's open browser. For now I'm using Microsoft Edge browser. You can use any of the browser. So here on search bar, search for investing.com and here log in with your account. After you log in successfully, you will see this kind of interface. Before saving indicators, you need to search. So for now, let me search Tesla and enter. Here you can see Tesla charts, its graph. Now go to chart and you will see live charts of Tesla. So here you can see rise and fall of Tesla. Now to save indicators, let's go to indicator icon as shown here. Now here search for the indicators. Let me select one of it and again select another one. Let me select choppiness index. Now cross the tab. Now you can see the graph of the selected indicators. So now let's save these indicators. In order to save the indicators, let's go to cloud icon. Just click on it and here give the name of the chart layout and then tap on save button. So next time when you open your investing.com account, you will see the saved indicators. So in this way you can save indicators on investing.com. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.